Hi, I'm the BossProblemBuster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks with 7,250 employees trained between us, my team and I. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train passed over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for, so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. To understand how the big fix will work for you, we first need a bird's eye view of the entire deck to get some perspective by seeing the full picture. So here it is. In the first part of this deck, which includes all the videos up till now, we have A, proved why your office romance is not your private business, but everybody's business at the office because it affects them. Check. B, we have canvassed the full spectrum of your team's dynamics and your boss's psychology to fully and accurately map all the 7+1 office romance boss problems that make you unpromotable and unpraisable while having an office romance with your coworker and even after it ends. Check. C, we have drilled down deep on each and every of those boss problems. Get it? I'm the boss problem buster. So we have drilled down deep on each and every of these boss problems to make sure you fully understand how they came to be and how your behavior as a couple perpetuates them. Check. And finally, D, we have pivoted from your point of view to your boss's point of view and teammates' point of view, which is intertwined with your boss's, as we've shown. Why? Because your boss's point of view is the only one that counts, because he or she holds the key to your promotion and or pay raise, which is your end goal. So check on that as well. So we have come a long way, and hopefully you see now why we had to do it this way. First present all the boss problems and only then get to their fixes instead of problem fix. It takes time to do all those 4 things I've just mentioned and do them properly. And it needs to be done properly because your career is at stake. So I think we can safely say mission accomplished. You may be surprised to know that actually we have already given you all the fixes you need as we went along. We just didn't call them that. This whole meticulous process has sprinkled breadcrumbs all along the way to create a trail, a compass you can follow to find your way out of the woods. Because if you know what dug you into the hole, and now you do, you can dig yourself out of the hole. It's all about reverse engineering your way out of it if you're already in the hole, and engineering your way away from it if you're planning ahead and wish to avoid it. But if we've already given you everything you need to know so that you can just do a 180 and follow this Hansel and Gretel breadcrumb trail we have laid on your own, using it as a compass to lead you back to eligibility, why then are we devoting this entire second half of the deck to doing it together? Isn't it superfluous? No, it isn't. I have promised you to do it together, a promise I'm keeping today, because of 2 reasons. A, it is not always as straightforward as just do a 180 or just do the opposite, like George Costanza. Well, it is in principle, so you do indeed know the essence of what you need to do, but we can serve you even better, which is what we're constantly striving for, hence this elaborate deck. So we can serve you even better by actually doing the full scale of reverse engineering needed together on the basis of that essence you already know, so that we can add to it substantially and make it as practical and pragmatic as possible by giving you the exact steps to take. And B, even then, there are still more principles and steps you should know about and consider that go beyond what you could reverse engineer yourself. This is why we do this big fix together. If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, BossProblemBuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. Each video drops inconvenient truth bombs on you right, left, and center, all very direct, pragmatic, and very much non-PC. No fluff, no bullshit. So, if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise, or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, and if you can handle the truth, you can handle the truth. I'm channeling Jack Nicholson. Then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again. And until then, go back to work. You know, I can't help you get that promotion and pay raise if you don't actually do the job.